Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here for I Did Your Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it has 80% recurring income for every sale that you make, guys. I don't know if you know that, but that pretty much makes it the best affiliate marketing program to promote. If you're an affiliate marketer, it's just straight up the best. 80% recurring income is fantastic. So anyway guys, if you're interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so what we're gonna do here, guys, we're gonna look at our results here. It looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page to make sure you guys see me refreshing the page. Don't believe results if you don't refresh the page. It's very easy to change everything around. That's what we're gonna do. I want to show you guys real results. All right, looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. Not a big deal. We're not gonna worry about it. So what I want to do now, guys, is I want to show you the link that I use, because we're going to show you how to get your links. All right, I'm going to show you the link that I personally use. I use this one. You can use any link that you want, but this is the one I use in case you're interested. All right, yeah, and let's get your links. All right, so first and foremost, you click on the link in the description. It says something like incomespeaks.com. That's my own custom domain. I just changed it like that to make it look a little better. And then it'll take you to this page here, right? And this page basically talks about what the product is, how much money you can make, all that jazz, right? And basically, what if you're interested, the product is a funnel builder with no real limitations on it for $25. Now, if you built a funnel builder before, if you know what a funnel builder is, to people that are not affiliate marketers, it's basically like a page of websites they try to get you to buy something, right? And affiliate marketers know that the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels, which is over $100 per month. This is $25 per month and has no limitations. Even with that $100, you can only make 20 funnels, but no limitations for $25 per month. Fantastic deal. All right, so you also can make up to $120 per customer, guys, per customer. They also give to charity here. You can see here they talking about charity, feeding children and stuff like that, if you're interested in that. So we're gonna go to Yes I Want In to try this out. All right, so you just put in your information, blah blah blah. You get to the bottom part, complete order. All right, now one thing I want to mention here is this product here. Now if you click on my link, you'll get access to this product for free for 14 days. Now this is HBA premium. It's all about traffic and conversions, how to get traffic, how to get conversions, set up ads and stuff like that. So basically what you do, you learn how to set up traffic, what's working now, and that's including Facebook groups, YouTube, podcasting, blogging, LinkedIn, solo ads, Instagram, whatever it may be, right? A ton of information about what's working now for most people, and it's constantly updated because of that. It also has an AI content creation machine. It's similar to ChatGPT, but mostly based on selling stuff, so a little bit more customization into it. So you can make a ton of posts, Instagram posts, like, and stuff like that for it. So yeah, it's basically designed to do stuff like that. So yeah, you don't really have to think about what you're gonna post. Just ask it, boom, post it, make money. Fantastic. All right, so yeah, now the coolest thing about this is that for the 2 weeks it pretends that you own the product. So if you get a sale on this product, you keep that $100, which is absolutely fantastic. Get you through the door real quick. You got 2 weeks to do it. It's fantastic. All right, so yeah, all right, now what we're gonna do, guys, we need a way to promote this product. Now we're gonna go with the easiest way to promote this product I found. All right, straight up easiest way to promote this product. It works. It's easy. That's all you need to know. Okay. All right. So this is the way. Click on the link in the description below. All right. Of this video, the second link there should take you to this page here called My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, what My Lead Gen Secrets is that you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. So day 1, 100 leads. Day 2, 200 leads. So on and so forth, like that. So what we're gonna do here is send an email. We're gonna send an email here, guys. So we're gonna click on all leads here. I'm gonna send all leads. Don't worry about that number there. It's a huge number when you first start. Trust me, I got a bunch of accounts. One of my accounts did get a sale on its first day. So yeah, I just want to make sure I clarify that. Don't worry about that. So we just gonna go with our next email here. Oh, first and foremost, I want to get my photo. A photo link. Copy it. We're gonna put it on the net. Gonna go down. Find it. Here we go. Load it up. Boom, boom. So all we're gonna do, that's our email there. This is the email ChatGPT has helped us write. ChatGPT helped us write all these emails. Let me see. Should pop up here. Yeah. Emails that ChatGPT has helped me write. I customized some of them, but this is basically all the emails. They just help me out. Alright. So I suggest using that. Let's see what we're gonna do here. We're gonna put our we're gonna put our picture here. That's what I meant to say. Our picture signature, like that. Boom. Change the size. 75, I think. Well, that looks good. All right, we're gonna hit perfect timing. What that does, send an email around the time people check emails, guys. So we're gonna hit preview. Now this is your chance to pause the video and copy the email if you want to copy the email. Perfectly fine. I don't mind you guys copying it. Not a big deal. You can do whatever I did to it. As you can see, I added some stuff to it. I changed the numbers around a little bit sometimes. So, you know, just to make it look a little bit more enticing. $600 in 10 days doing hardly nothing is fantastic. Sounds enticing, don't sound unbelievable. It's a really short email as well. That's most important. Think about when you read emails, you want it to be pretty short, get to the point real quick, right? So anyway, guys, we click on this just to make sure our link works, because if our link does not work, we will not get any sales. All right, and I just proved my link does work. All right, so we're gonna send an email, and that's all there is to it. Now, one thing I want to stress before I get out of here: consistency. Do this. Keep doing this. You got to do stuff every single day. If you want to make money online, you got to do it every single day, guys. You got to do it every single day. Whatever it is you're doing, you got to do it every single day. My most recommended way to make money online right now in 2023 is shorts. All the websites are pushing shorts like crazy. So that's the way to do it. All right. So what you want to do is make a short and post to these 3 websites in particular. You want it on TikTok, you want it on YouTube, and you want it on Instagram. All right, guys, those are the 3 you want to really focus on. You can make a Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter. I recommend Twitter a little bit more than Facebook, but those are the 3 you want to focus on. I wouldn't even bother with Pinterest, honestly. I never got a sale with Pinterest in anything. I don't spend so much money trying to get sales on Pinterest. And yeah, that's all there is to it. And what you want to do is post every single day. Don't worry about how good your videos look. Don't worry about if you got a real good camera on your phone or anything like that. Don't even worry about what you even posting, really. Just post. Keep posting. Just post a bunch. Eventually something will go viral. When that thing go viral, you won't have to worry about money ever again. All right, guys? You got the right program, especially like a program like this, the $25 business. Since it's recurring, you won't have to worry about money ever again. And you just keep posting, you'll make a ton of money. All of a sudden, it feels like you found the glitch, guys, in the system. That's what it really feels like. It feels like you found the glitch in the system when it happens. It'll happen. It's happened to anybody who's done this consistently. It's no chance thing. It's gonna happen. It might take you longer than others, but it's gonna happen, guys. Gotta be consistent though. You gotta do it every single day. I recommend 3 videos per day, 3 shorts, but you could do more, you do less. Make sure it's every day though. Just make sure you're posting every day. All right, guys. That's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.